In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove Stripe from a Jotform in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to switch payment processors or simply no longer need this option, I'll guide you through the process with clarity and precision. First, let's start by navigating to the Jotform website. For this, you need to open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Jotform and hit enter. This will bring you to the Jotform homepage. Once there, look for the Login section at the top right corner of the page if you're already a user. If you're new to Jotform, you'll find the option to sign up as well. Once you're logged in, it's time to locate the form you wish to edit. Head to the My Forms section. From this list, select the form you want to modify and open it in the Form Builder by clicking on it. The Form Builder is an intuitive, user-friendly interface where you can make all the necessary changes to your form. Now that your form is open, you need to identify the payment field that's currently using Stripe. This payment field is usually pretty easy to spot, as it often bears the label of the payment gateway it's associated with, in this case, Stripe. Once you've found the payment field, look for the small wand icon situated within or next to the field. This icon is commonly known as the widget settings icon. Click on it to delve into the settings specific to this payment widget. Inside the widget settings, you'll find various options for managing your Stripe connection. Keep an eye out for a button or drop-down menu that references the current state of the Stripe connection. It might explicitly say Connected, or you may see a green button indicating that it's actively linked to your form. To proceed with the removal, click on this button or drop-down and select the Disconnect option. Now, depending on the way your Jotform is set up, you might see a pop-up window that asks for confirmation of this action. This is a standard security measure to ensure that sensitive changes are intentional. Go ahead and confirm this deletion or disconnection if prompted. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully disconnected Stripe from your Jotform. If you need to reconnect or integrate a different payment gateway, simply repeat these steps and adjust settings as needed. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and straightforward. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.